If f of x equals x minus 3, find f of f of f of x and f of f of f of f of f of x and their domains. So if we're going to start with f of f of f of x, a composition of three functions, this is just the same as f of f of f of x. And so we can start substituting in from the middle and working our way out. We know that f of x is x minus 3. So this is going to be f of x minus 3. And then we need to evaluate f at x minus 3. Well, since the function takes the input and subtracts 3, this is going to be f of x minus 3 minus 3, which is the same as x minus 6. And then if we're applying the function again, that just means that we need to subtract 3 from whatever the input is. So that's going to be x minus 6 minus 3, which is the same as x minus 9. And we notice that because this function is just taking x and subtracting 3, if we apply that 3 times, we're effectively subtracting 3 times, or subtracting 9. And we can use that logic to figure out the other composition, f of f of f of f of f, a lot quicker, because each time we apply the function, we're subtracting 3. And since we're applying it 5 times, this is going to be x minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, or x minus 15. We're simply subtracting 3 5 times. That's the same as subtracting 15. And in both of these situations, we know that the domains are going to be all real numbers, or in set notation, that is negative infinity to infinity. And that's because we're not dividing by anything that could be 0 or taking the square root of anything that could be negative. We're just subtracting 3, and there's nothing you can't subtract 3 from in the real numbers. So that's that.